Hi young builders, today we're building something extra special, so be sure to swing by HomCo to pick up your free Young Builders kit on the third Saturday of each month. This month we're making a grill caddy, a wooden toolbox that's perfect for holding grilling tools, sauces, napkins, or anything Dad might need at the barbecue. You can build it here at HomCo, or take it home and build it together with your family while following along on your phone. Ready to build a Father's Day surprise? Let's get started. In your kit, you'll find one wooden base, two long side pieces, two end pieces, one wooden dowel handle, nails, a hammer, and a pencil to mark your nail spots. Make sure your grown-up helper is nearby. You'll be building this project together. First, lay out all the pieces on your table. The long pieces are the sides, the short pieces are the ends, and the dowel will be your handle. This helps you see the shape of your grill caddy before you start building. Place one long side piece along the edge of the base. Use your pencil to mark where the nails go. Then with your grown-up helper, gently hammer the nails into place. Awesome work! Next, attach the two end pieces. Line them up with the sides and base. Mark your nail spots first, then carefully hammer in your nails. Now your grill caddy is really starting to take shape. Now slide the wooden dowel through the holes on the end pieces. This will be your handle. Perfect for carrying your grill caddy wherever it's needed. Dad can use it to carry barbecue tools, sauces, or even napkins for the cookout. Now it's time to decorate. You can paint it, add stickers, write a message for Dad, or decorate it with your favorite colors. Make it extra special for Father's Day. Amazing job, young builders. You just built a grill caddy that can also be used as a toolbox, a perfect gift for Father's Day and a super handy way to carry barbecue supplies. We love seeing what you create. Bring your finished project to our next Young Builders event, or take a picture and tag us on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for building with us, and we'll see you next time.